Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from sliding window. Okay, last second problem mostly, where you need to find length of longest subarray. Okay, that contains exactly k distinct integers. So for example, if k is equal to 2, and let's say your array is something like 1 2 1 2 comma 3. Okay, so you need to find subarray, count of subarray which has exactly two distinct elements. Okay, so see, this 1 2 is also one subarray, this 1 2 1 is also subarray. Okay, one subarray with exactly k distinct integers. 1 2 1 2 is also one subarray, this 1 2 is also one subarray, this 2 1 is also one subarray, right? So you know that we have solved many problems like this. Whenever there is a exactly k, we are not able to find exactly k in sliding window. Okay, because of ambiguity. So for example, uh, this array, so this array 1 2 1. Okay, this is contains exactly two distinct element, and this 2 1 2 1 also contains exactly two distinct elements. Okay, and so you have ambiguity that whether you should move right or you should move left, because in both cases the answer will be same. So this kind of problem, how we solve? If you wanted to find exactly k, you figure out at most k, okay, and at most k minus 1, and you just subtract it, so you will get exactly k. Okay, so let's try run this. Fine, the array is 1 2 1 2 3, and k is equal to 2. Okay, so now you will take few pointers. Okay, what is the logic? You will have a sliding window, okay, with left, right, and count value variable, and then you will have one hash map. Whenever hash map size is greater than k, given k, you will shrink the window. Okay, you will adjust the window. So this is the logic, simple logic. So let me create one hash map, okay, which is called map, let's say, and when left is pointing to left initialized to 0, count initialized to 0. Okay, let's see, this is the index 0 1 2 3 4. R is pointing to 0. R is initialized as 0. Okay, R is your index which will iterate your array. Now first element came, okay, and exactly k. So first you will find for k, then you will find result for k minus 1, and you will subtract it. Okay, so most probably you will get 12 minus 7. The answer will be 5 for this question. Okay, so let's try run it. So first 1 came. Okay, so you have created one map, and left right two variable you have created. Now you are iterating with right index. Okay, so you are putting the value whatever there on number of right. Okay, if it is there in the map, then it will take the existing value, it will increment that value. If it is not there, then it will put 1. So currently it is not there, so we will put 1 comma 1. What is our k? K is 2. Okay, so you will check map size greater than 2, no, condition false. Okay, so we'll not do anything, we'll just adjust the count is your window length. So currently your window length is 1. Okay, 0 minus 0 plus 1, so your count will become 1. Now r plus plus, r is pointing to this 2. Okay, again 2 is not there in map, so 2 comma 1 will get inserted into map. K is not greater. Okay, map size is not greater than k, so again just adjust the count. So count now will become this is your L, right? This is your L, this is your right, so the size is 2, r minus L plus 1. Again r is pointing to this 1, so this 1 will become 2, increment the value of 1, right? And again map dot size is not greater than k, it is 2, and k is 2, so 2 is greater than 2, condition false. So now what you will do, just adjust the count value. So now count will be 3 plus 3. Okay, similarly r will come here, and 2 will get inserted into map, means increment the counter, so 2 comma 2 now, and here the window size will be 4. Okay, now r is pointing to this 3, and when you insert 3 in map 3 comma 1, the array size is greater than map size is greater than k, 3 greater than 2, condition true. Okay, so what you will do, you will see where my left is pointing. My left is pointing to 0, means left is the left value is 0, it means this is my left. Okay, right now, So what I will do, I will decrement this element frequency by 1. So 1, currently it is 2, so I'll make it to 1. Okay, I'll check this whether this frequency is 0. No, so left plus plus. So now left is pointing to left is initialized as 1, not initialized, means incremented by 1. So now left is pointing to this 2. Again the size is greater than 2. Okay, still it is not there, so while loop will continue. So now 2, okay, 2 will decrement, so it will become 1, and again this is not 0, so will not do anything, and now left will be pointing to this 2. Okay, here, so left became 2. Again left, so 1 you will decrement the value, so it will become 0. As it will become 0, you will remove it from map, so your size is also less than. So now next time you don't need to run while loop, okay, because 2 greater than 2. And left plus plus, so now left is pointing to this third index. Okay, and now adjust the counter. So R is pointing to 4, left is pointing to 3. 4 minus 3 plus 1, so 4 minus 3, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so now what is the answer? 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, and 4, 12. Okay, so 12 is for this one, as I told you. Okay, now let's do the same thing. Let's dry run it for 1 as well. Okay, when k is equal to 1. Okay, when k is equal to 1, that time what happens? Let's see. Again take left equal to 0, R is pointing to 0, count is initially 0. Okay, this is your map, and this is your map, and then now let's see. So 1 is not there in map, so 1 comma 1. Again 2 is not there in map, 2 comma 1, but now here k is equal to 1. So as you insert 2, okay, the condition false, like the map length is greater than k. So what you will do, you will decrement the value frequency of number of left. So number of left is 1, so decrement it by 0. As you decrement it by 0, it is 0, so you will remove it from map, right? And left plus plus, so now left is pointing to 1, so left is also here. So in this scenario, left and right will move nearer only. Okay, back to back. So again condition is true now. Okay, this map size greater than k, condition false, so you will adjust the counter. What is the counter? R minus L plus 1, so counter will become 1. R plus plus, R is pointing to 2, so now R is already pointing to 2 actually. Yeah, R, we have inserted this 2 now, so that time R was pointing to 2 only. So so the counter will be 2, means this one will be 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 minus 0. Correct. This L will come here, no? After that, L plus plus. So count is correct. Okay, our count is correct, and initially R is on 0, so 1 comma 0, then R plus plus, so 2 comma 0, L equal to L plus 1. Okay, now R plus plus, so now R is pointing to this 1, so again you will insert 1 because it is not there in hash map. So 1 comma 1 you will insert, and as you inserted 1 comma 1, your condition false. Okay, map dot size greater than k, condition true. So what you will do, whatever left is pointing to what, 2, right? So you will decrement its value. As you decrement its value, the frequency becomes 0, and you can remove that element from map. So again the condition, this condition is false, but left plus plus you need to do, so left plus plus, and next time you will adjust the pointer, so pointer will again be 1 because R and L point to 2 right now. Okay, then R plus plus, so R is pointing to this 2. So again 2 is not there in hash map, so 2 comma 1 you have inserted. As you inserted 2 comma 1, map size is greater than k, so you will remove whatever left is pointing left by 1. So this one will become 0, this one will become 0. You can remove it from map. Okay, so this one you have removed it, the condition false. Now L is pointing to this right again, adjust the counter, counter will 1. Okay, and then R plus plus, so R will point to this, and then 3. Okay, insert 3 comma 1 in hash map. So again the condition true. Okay, map dot size is greater than 1, So what you will do, whatever L is pointing to 2, this one will become 0 and you will remove it from hash map. L plus plus, L is pointing to this R minus L plus 1, okay. So plus 1 will come here, okay, and then next time R plus plus, so R, so this condition false, okay, right is less than, so this one will be 5, so 12 minus 5 is 7, your answer. That's it. Thank you.